Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Stellar Coin. In my earlier video, I told you that the price line of Stellar can break out very soon, and finally the price line has broken out a triangle and a down channel on the daily time frame. And in today's video, I want to share the next targets with you. But before starting the analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel so far, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing the different trading ideas for you on the daily basis, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's move to the chart. First of all, let me just show you this daily time frame, and we have been watching this down channel, and you can see that the price line was entered in this down channel here on 8th of November, and it was not able to break out the resistance. And finally, when the price line moved here, we have seen that the price line also found a very strong support here at 25.5 cents, because previously the price line was bounced by this support. In here we had several touch points of the price action, and we can see after this accumulation the price line also formed this descending triangle as well. This was the support of the newly formed descending triangle, and this was the resistance, and the XLM has broken out the resistance of the channel and this triangle at the same time. Now if we switch to the weekly time frame, then here we were also down below the support of this very big rising wedge pattern. And I told you that there is a still probability that the price line will be reversed from here, and after this reversal it will be re-entered in this rising wedge. And right now the price line is again inside this rising wedge. Now if the price line will be reach the resistance of this rising wedge, that will be approximately at 44 cents. And if we take a look at the target for this down channel, then if the price line will be able to break out this resistance, because here we have a very strong resistance at 34.5 cents, then our final target can be, as per this down channel, will be approximately 44 cents. And we have also seen that the price line is also getting bounced by this 100 weekly simple moving average as well. Therefore this bounce can be powerful, and we can expect this move up to this resistance of this rising wedge pattern. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I am sharing the different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.